Hello everyone, Namaste. Today I am going to show you how to use a beater, also called as whisk. This is a beater. I know you all love bubbles. Let's see how to make bubbles with the help of water. To make this activity more interesting, I have taken colored water. Let's add a squirt of liquid soap or liquid detergent. This is a whisk, also called as beater. Now let's form bubbles. You can see bubbles are coming. Whisking helps in scooping, twisting, spatial awareness and hand control and balance. Let's see other variations where we can use this beater and that helps the child. I know all children love baking cake and they love to eat as well. So children can use this beater and they can whisk it and make cake with their parents. It is also a way of practicing their pre-writing skills. Children also enjoy making their own health drink. They can also use this beater and make their own buttermilk. Hope you all enjoyed whisking. Thank you. Namaste.